Hello friends, I am Veda and in today's class we are going to learn one more interesting topic related to algebraic expressions and identities. In previous class we have understood how to add and subtract algebraic expressions, different rules we have seen, isn't it? Same way, today we'll multiply algebraic expressions. First and foremost type is multiplying a monomial by a monomial. So let me give you an example. 5x into 3y. Okay. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. So this 5x is a monomial, 3y is a monomial. Okay. So it has been multiplied now. So first and foremost thing which we have to notice here is both are unlike terms. 5x and 3y are not like terms. They are unlike. Okay. Can we multiply? Yes, we can multiply, but we cannot add and subtract. Okay. Now 5x into 3y, before multiplying, let me tell you one thing, that every time when you multiply, you have to keep it in your mind. Okay. The first point you have to keep it in your mind is what? Signs. What sign both the monomial are having here? Plus. Okay. Constants or coefficient we say of the term. Then the third point we have to keep it in our mind is variables. Clear? So why am I writing these 3 points here? We'll see. While multiplying, we'll see the first sign. Plus into plus is plus. So it will come here plus. No need to worry. The signs are also multiplied. The constants are also multiplied. And the variables are also multiplied. So these 3 people you should keep it in your mind. The constants, the coefficients and variables when you are multiplying the terms. So now here first we have seen first signs. The plus into plus is plus, need not to write it. Now 5 into 3, the constant, the next term will group is 5 into 3. We will group it, the constants will group. Then there is a multiplication sign here, again we will write multiplication, the big multiplication sign. Then x into y, okay, that will be grouped. The variables will be grouped in one bracket. So it is nothing but 5 3s are 15, x into y is nothing but it is xy. X into y is x into y. Okay, and nothing can be done with that. So it is 15xy is your answer. Minus 3x into 7y. Now what we'll do? First the thing we have to see the signs. Okay, minus into plus is minus. Now 3 into 7, that will write first. Next is coefficient should be taken, 3 into 7 multiplied by x into y. So it is nothing but what? Minus into minus will be there. Minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus back again. So need not to worry. 7 3s are 21 and x into y is x1. Similar kind, the like terms, okay. 5x into 4x square is your monomial now. Okay, 5x and 4x square are two monomials. Okay. Now, how you will multiply it now? So first signs both are positive, need not to worry. So now what I'll do? I'll group the constants 4 into 5 into 4. Then x, both are like terms. So what we'll do? X into x square. This will be grouped in one bracket. Then 5 4s are 20. Then multiplied by x into x square. So now same type is it. X into x square is 3x square. No, it is not 3x square. So now what you are going to do? X into x square is x cube. Why? Because it is a raised to m into a raised to n equals to a raised to m plus n. Okay. So what has happened here? X into x square. So it is nothing but both the base is same. When the base is same, the exponents are, the powers are added. So now x raised to, what it will be? M plus n. Here there is no number on the x means it is considered to be 1. So it is 1 plus 2. So it is nothing but x raised to 3. Okay. So what will be your answer? So the powers are added. Okay. They are not multiplied. Many students lose their marks here only. So what they do in a hurry burry, they will multiply this easily. 5 fours are 20 they'll do. Then what they'll do? Instead of multiplying the powers, they'll multiply this x into x square. It will be 3x square they will do and come. So be careful with the powers. In multiplication, what you have to do? We have to, when there is like terms with you, then we have to add the powers, not the base. The base is not been added here. Okay, only the powers are being added, not multiplied. Keep that in your. Some people I know that they will write 20 into x square only. They will write it and come. Or they will write, if there is one more number here 3, then if it is like x cube into x square, then what they will do? They will write x raised to 3 to the 6, no? So it will be write. Okay. So it will be x raised to 5. 3 plus 2 will be 5. This is your right answer. This is your wrong answer. Okay. So be careful with all such things. When you practice, you will understand it more clear. Okay. Do practice. Keep practicing. Multiplying 3 or more monomials, that means we'll see how it is. Okay, so if you are having an example of 2x into 5y into 7z, 3 or more. Okay, so in the first step only 2 were there, now it is 3. How you are going to multiply? The first and foremost is sign, constant and variable, SCV. You have to keep it in the mind, no? SCV. Sign, all are positive, nothing to worry. Then, next is constant. We'll group the constants. 2 into 5 into 7. Constants, or we say coefficients. Then, what are the variables? So, it will be multiplied by the variables. X into y into z. So, what will be your answer? 5 2s are 10. 10 7s are 70. X, Y, Z will be written X, Y and Z. So simplified form is 70 X, Y, Z. One more example. 4xy multiplied by 5x square y square into 6x cube y cube. Okay, so you have this problem now. So now you will see there is all the positive signs. Sign SCV. S is okay, fine, no problem. Then what about the constant? We'll group 4 into 5 into 6. Okay, then multiplied by, now there are two types of variables now. Okay, so now what we will do? We will first take the x. X, here x square, then multiplied by, here it is x cube. Okay, now next variable is y, multiplied by y into y square into, from here it is y cube. Clear? You understood this step? So the further simplification is 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 6 is 120. Okay, now x into x square into x cube. So what it will be? Here there is no number, means it is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. That means x into x square into x cube gives you x raised to 6. Here there is no number 1. Y raised to 1. This is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So it is y raised to 6. So your answer is 120 x raised to 6 y raised to 6. Take one more example. 7ab into minus 5a square b into 6ab square. First we have to see sign. Sign is what? Plus in, here minus it is. Here plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So it will be minus. Now the constants, coefficient should be multiplied. 7 into 5 is Okay, we'll write like that. 7 into 5 into 6. Then multiplied by a. A into a square into a. Then multiplied by b into b square. It will be minus of, it is not inside the bracket, don't take minus sign for every bracket here, keep it outside, okay. 6 5s are 30, 37s are 210. Then a into a square into a. So here it is nothing but 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. A raised to 4. Then here b, 1, 1. So it is b raised to 4 back again. So it is minus 210, a raised to 4, b raised to 4. So this is important from the point of examination, 1 mark question. So here also we have seen a multiplying a monomial by a monomial, it may come for 1 mark question, and here also the multiplying 3 or more monomials we have seen, in that also such type of question can be asked for 1 mark question. When I write 1 asterisk mark, it is important, okay. So the next concept is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. What does it mean? The first type is multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So monomial is being multiplied by a binomial. So what it is, we'll understand by solving one example. Okay. Monomial 3x is multiplied by 5y plus 2. It's a binomial. See here, 3x is a monomial and 5y plus 2 is a binomial. Okay. Then how to multiply this? We'll see. First we are using here distributive law. Distributive law. 3x is being distributed to 5y and 3x is being distributed to 2. 3x is multiplied to 5y and also 3x is multiplied to 2. Okay. 3x into 5y. Then there is plus, isn't it? So plus. Then 3x is multiplied again to 2. Clear? 3x is multiplied to 5y. Then what is the sign here? It is plus. So plus 3x into 2. Okay. So it will be 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. X into y is xy. Then plus 3x into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. X into here there is nothing, that means it is 1. So this is your answer, 15xy plus 6x. Okay. See here, when a monomial is multiplied by a binomial, you are getting a binomial as a product. Okay. Minus 3x multiplied by minus 5y plus 2. Okay. If a monomial is been multiplied by a binomial, this is monomial, it is multiplied by binomial. The first thing what we'll do, 3x will be multiplied by this 5 and also 3x will be multiplied with this 2. Okay, this will be distributed. So now 3x is a good friend. Okay, so he is going to share his tiffin box with 5 minus 5y and also with 2. Okay, he is a very good friend of both 5y and 2. Minus 3x into minus 5y. So this we will group into one bracket. Then there is plus sign, isn't it? So plus of minus 3x into 2. So he is sharing his tiffin box both with 5y and 2. Okay. So now in the next step, minus into minus is plus. Yeah. 3 into 5 is 15. X into y is xy. Here there is no need of writing plus. Okay. Minus into minus is plus. We will learn. Sorry, we will understand it. Okay. Now plus minus 3x into 2 is minus into plus is minus. Minus 3 2s are 6x. X into here there is no variable, that means it is only x. Okay, 1. Then what will be your answer? 15xy plus into minus is what? Minus 6x. So your answer is 15xy minus 6x. If if a problem like this, okay, 3x into 5y plus 2. The first thing is 3x will be multiplied to 5y and 3x will be multiplied to 2. Okay, this is distributive law we say. What it is? Distributive law. We have learned in earlier class. It has been distributing. 3x is distributing chocolates to 5y and 3x is distributing chocolates to 2. The question is like this. 5y plus 2 into 3x. So both answers, the solution of this is 15x plus 6 xy plus 6x, right? For if you calculate this way also, what happens here? So 3x will be multiplied by 2, 3x will be multiplied to 5y, or you can say 5y is multiplied to 3x and 2 is multiplied to 3x. Okay, so this is distributive law. So for this also answer will be same, 15xy plus 6x both. Okay, so what do you say? A into b equals to b into a, both will be same. This is commutative law. So what does it commutative law? In general we say a into b equals to b into a. What is distributive law? Distributive law is a into b plus c means equals to, this is a into b plus b into a into c. So the next type is multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Monomial by monomial we have seen, monomial by binomial, and now monomial by a trinomial. Okay, so the first example, so let us see one example and try to understand it clear. So 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Okay, so how to solve it? Distributive law. So 3p will be multiplied to, see here, this will be multiplied to 4p, this will be multiplied to 5p, and also it will be multiplied to 7. So we will see how to do that step by step. 3p into 4p square over, now this 3 will be multiplied to 5p. What is the sign here? It is plus. Don't forget to write it. Okay. 3p into 5p. Then what is the sign here? Next, plus. So plus into plus is plus. So 3 into 7 is, 3p into 7. Understood? We have multiplied the signs also. Okay. Now 3 into 4 is 12. What is p into p square? So it is p here, nothing means 1. P into p square is p cube plus 3p into 5p. 3 5 3s are 15 p. Okay. So it is square. P into p is p square plus 3p into 7. 7 3s are 21 p. Okay, this is your answer. Further you cannot go for calculation, isn't it? They are unlike terms, so we cannot add it. So the answer will be 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. Clear? So it may be a monomial to monomial, okay, monomial with binomial, and monomial by trinomial. Okay, Example here, 5x into 3x. Here in a binomial we have seen 5x into 3x plus 2. Such type of problems. Trinomial is 5x into 3x plus 2x plus 1. So such type of examples you can see. So here there is no need of using distributive law, but in binomial and trinomial, monomial if it is multiplied for binomial, monomial is multiplied by trinomial, then you have to use the distributive law and simplify. Clear? So this is very easy. Okay. So that's it for today's video. We will learn more interesting topic in our next class. Till then, keep that pretty smile on your face and don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.